Came across an NCZ file while managing your Nintendo Switch library? This is a compressed game image format you should understand before trying to open it. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what NCZ files are and how they work with Switch homebrew tools. Here's a tip from my professional experience. For those truly difficult NCZ files, you need a Plan B, a secret weapon. I'll expand more on this after we try the other solutions. NCZ files are compressed Nintendo Switch game image files created by compressing NSP or XCI game dumps using specialized compression algorithms. They significantly reduce file size for storage while retaining all game data that can be decompressed back to the original NSP format for installation on compatible Switch systems. NCZ files use a custom compression format applying zstandard or similar block compression to NCA content archives within the Nintendo Switch package structure. The format preserves cryptographic header data while compressing game data sections, achieving typical compression ratios of 30 to 60% of original file size. The direct link for opening NCZ files is established with Yuzu emulator from Team Yuzu. The complex compression ratio is not supported by standard Windows decompression tools. Windows displays only the file shell, so full interpretation must occur in game-related applications. For guaranteed results, right-click your NCZ file and select Open With. Use Yuzu emulator first if it's on your PC. If it's missing, try another application. Finding the perfect reader can take a few attempts. If the NCZ file won't budge, stay calm. We're dealing with a highly specific NCZ file, so we must be precise. We need to run through this checklist and confirm all key details are correct. First, decompressing NCZ files. Download and run NCZ tool, the command line utility designed for NCZ decompression. Execute NCZ dfile name.ncz2. Decompress the file back to its original NSP format. The tool reconstructs the full Nintendo Switch package with all NCA content archives restored to their uncompressed state for standard installation. Next, using with Tinfoil. Install Tinfoil on your homebrew-enabled Nintendo Switch console. Tinfoil natively supports NCZ file installation over USB or network, without requiring prior decompression. Connect your Switch to your PC and use Tinfoil's USB install feature, or configure network install to transfer and decompress the NCZ file directly during installation. Finally, verifying file integrity. After decompression, use NCZ tool with the verify flag, NCZ vfile name.nsp, to check the integrity of the output file against known hash values. This confirms the decompression completed without data corruption. Compare title ID version number and content size against the original game database entries. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.